Yosemite, where dreams meet nature. Yosemite National Park, a place where the raw beauty of the natural world is on full display. A name synonymous with grandeur, Yosemite National Park is located in California and is bordered on the southeast by Sierra National Forest and on the northwest by Stanislaus National Forest. Yosemite boasts 759,620 acres. Designated a World Heritage Site, in 1984, Yosemite is internationally recognized for its granite cliffs, waterfalls, clear streams, groves of giant sequoia, lakes, mountains, meadows, glaciers, and biological diversity. Almost 95% of the park is designated wilderness. Yosemite is one of the largest and least fragmented habitat blocks in the Sierra Nevada. Here, you can witness the delicate balance of ecosystems where every creature plays a vital role in the tapestry of life. From the elusive mountain lion to the playful river otter, Yosemite is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. Yosemite is a dream destination for travelers worldwide, and for good reason. Its scenic views and outdoor adventures offer something for everyone, whether you're seeking adrenaline-pumping activities or peaceful moments of reflection. Whether you're an avid hiker, a nature enthusiast, or simply seeking solace in the great outdoors, Yosemite has something extraordinary to offer. The park's numerous trails cater to all levels of hikers, from easy walks to challenging climbs, ensuring that everyone can find their own adventure. Join us as we delve into the magic of Yosemite National Park. From the iconic Half Dome to the lesser-known but equally stunning Tuolumne Meadows, Yosemite is a place where dreams meet nature. Why is Yosemite a must-visit? The answer lies in its captivating beauty and unparalleled experiences. Stand at the base of El Capitan, with its sheer granite face soaring thousands of feet above. This granite monolith is about 3,000 feet from base to summit along its tallest face, and is a world-famous location for big wall climbing. The majestic Half Dome, known for its iconic silhouette etched against the sky, is a quartz monzonite batholith at the eastern end of Yosemite Valley. It is a well-known rock formation that is named for its distinct shape. One side is a sheer face, while the other three sides are smooth and round, making it appear like a dome cut in half. It stands at nearly 8,800 feet above sea level and is composed of quartz monzonite, an igneous rock that solidified several thousand feet within the earth. At its core are the remains of a magma chamber that cooled slowly and crystallized beneath the Earth's surface. The solidified magma chamber was then exposed and cut in half by erosion, therefore leading to the geographic name Half Dome. Yosemite offers a sensory overload, from the thunderous roar of Yosemite Falls to the delicate fragrance of wildflowers blooming in meadows. It's a place where you can disconnect from the hustle of everyday life and reconnect with nature's rhythm. Yosemite's history is as rich and captivating as its landscape. The towering granite cliffs, the lush valleys, and the vibrant sunsets over Yosemite Valley tell a story that spans millennia. For centuries, the Ah-Wah-Nee-Chee people called this sacred land home, living in harmony with the natural world around them. Their culture and traditions were deeply rooted in the rhythms of the land, the flowing rivers and the majestic mountains. Their lives intertwined with its rhythms, creating a symbiotic relationship that sustained both the people and the environment. The Ah-Wah-Nee-Chee's knowledge of the land was profound, and their respect for nature was evident in every aspect of their daily lives. The arrival of European American settlers in the mid-1800s marked a turning point in Yosemite's history. These settlers were drawn to the area's stunning beauty and abundant resources, but their presence also brought significant changes to the land and its original inhabitants. The increasing interest in Yosemite's unique landscape led to the eventual establishment of the Yosemite Grant in 1864. This landmark decision was the first step in a long journey towards conservation and protection of the area. This landmark decision paved the way for the park's protection, ensuring that its natural beauty would be preserved for future generations. The efforts of early conservationists laid the groundwork for the establishment of the National Park Service. Yosemite's eventual designation as a national park in 1890 was a significant milestone in the history of American conservation. It set a precedent for the creation of other national parks and highlighted the importance of preserving natural landscapes. Today, Yosemite stands as a testament to the importance of preserving our natural heritage for generations to come. Visitors from around the world come to experience its breathtaking beauty, hike its trails, and connect with the timeless legacy carved in stone. What sets Yosemite apart from other national parks? It's a combination of factors, from its iconic granite formations to its diverse ecosystems. The park boasts a remarkable range of elevations, resulting in a variety of habitats, from lush meadows and dense forests to alpine tundra. Towering waterfalls, ancient sequoia groves, and pristine lakes add to its allure. Yosemite is a place of dramatic contrasts and unparalleled beauty, a true testament to nature's artistry. Whether you prefer roughing it or enjoying creature comforts, Yosemite offers a range of lodging options. Within the park, you'll find everything from campgrounds to historic lodges. The Ahwahnee Hotel, a National Historic Landmark, offers a luxurious stay amidst the park's grandeur. For a more rustic experience, consider renting a cabin or staying in a canvas tent at Curry Village. Just outside the park's borders, you'll find cozy inns and hotels in towns like El Portal and Mariposa. Yosemite is a sanctuary for a remarkable diversity of wildlife. Black bears, mule deer, and squirrels are common sights, while lucky visitors might spot bobcats, coyotes, or even mountain lions. Birdwatchers will be in their element with over 200 species recorded in the park. Keep a safe distance from all wildlife, and remember to store your food properly. Observing animals in their natural habitat is a privilege and a reminder of the delicate balance we must strive to protect. Words cannot fully capture the splendor of Yosemite's landscape. This majestic park is a testament to the raw beauty of nature. The tranquility of meadows carpeted in wildflowers are sights that must be experienced firsthand. In spring and summer, the meadows burst into a riot of colors, with lupines, poppies, and other wildflowers painting the landscape. Hike to the top of Sentinel Dome for panoramic views of the valley, where you can see the vast expanse of Yosemite stretching out before you. The hike, though challenging, rewards you with breathtaking vistas that are worth every step. Or marvel at the cascading waters of Bridal Veil Fall, which seem to dance in the sunlight, creating rainbows in the mist. This iconic waterfall is a must-see for any visitor to the park. Stand in awe beneath towering sequoia trees, some of the largest and oldest living organisms on Earth. These ancient giants with their massive trunks and lofty canopies inspire a sense of wonder and reverence. These trees are more than 2,000 years old and have witnessed the passage of time while standing as living monuments to the resilience of nature. Yosemite's beauty is breathtaking and offers a rich tapestry of sights, sounds, and smells. From the fresh scent of pine in the air to the gentle rustle of leaves in the breeze, every moment in Yosemite is a sensory delight, an unforgettable symphony of sights and sounds. Yosemite will captivate you and leave an indelible mark on all who visit. Whether you're hiking its trails, gazing at its waterfalls, or simply soaking in the serene beauty, Yosemite is a place where nature's grandeur is on full display. There are countless ways to experience Yosemite's magic. Lace up your hiking boots and explore the park's extensive trail system, from gentle strolls along the valley floor to challenging climbs to breathtaking viewpoints. Embark on a scenic drive along Tioga Road, stopping at overlooks to soak in the views. Rent a bike and explore the valley floor, or go rock climbing for a thrilling adventure. In winter, experience Yosemite transformed into a winter wonderland, perfect for snowshoeing and cross-country skiing. Yosemite National Park is more than just a destination. It's an experience. It's a place where you can connect with nature on a profound level, challenge your limits, and create memories that will last a lifetime. So pack your bags, grab your hiking boots, and answer the call of the wild. Yosemite awaits, ready to share its magic with you.